2 of the month. Basically it's the last day. हम लोग सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए आए थे. So our day basically started at 8 o'clock in the morning. हम लोग actually और सोने वाले थे, but I don't know, by mistake my mom just switched on the light. Wanted to get freshen up, तो हम सब लोग की आँख खुल गई. And then after that straight I went on uploading my video. Premiere हुआ और 9 बजे live हो गई. If you have still not watched that video, please go and watch. It was super interesting because my mom backfired me. But anyways, today is a new day. I don't know what is basically the plan. और मैं इस नए जगह पे vlogging कर रही हूँ. I don't know, पहले अभी 10 बज गए, हम लोग ने breakfast भी नहीं किया. एंजॉय करने वाले because you know as we walked a lot around the markets और families की you know these business होती है like खाने की, they make egg because we walked so much. There is so much of family business going on of making food. It is so beautiful to look at that. I think so. Last मेरे पापा बाकी हैं नहाने वाले. And let's see what is the plan ahead. I just wanted to make my intro over here because firstly I am angry for my phone battery. 17% से सिर्फ 22%. And I'm gonna get a good camera flow vlogging. Okay, let's see what is the plan for ahead. And I'll meet you later. Bye.
A few moments later.
Overall, as you can see, it's a very nice sunny day today. That's our no. पूरा बंगलो नहीं है. वो सिर्फ वो एक रूम दिखा है. वो वाला है. You can see the water is also very blue. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. पर पानी में बहुत कचरा भी. Don't worry, don't think I'm mad. I'm just want some entertainment for you to see. That's why. See what's happening in the room. So we are now leaving for breakfast. बाल हाँ
लाइटिंग में फोटो लेती ना.
अरे हाँ या you know ना the lighting वाली फोटो इस पे बहुत अच्छी है. Why does my hair look so भूतिया
जंगली जूही.
He has one only word for me all the time. अभी what is the scene that my battery is just 15%. मैं जितना भी cover कर पाऊँगी I'll do my best. But I'm planning I'll do more of slow-mo. जैसे we are going to have breakfast right now. Instead of using my phone, I can use my mom's phone for the slow-mo. तो थोड़ा battery बच जाएगा. Meet you at the breakfast point. Are you people liking my video?
हाँ मजा आता है तो देख रहे हैं. बैकफायर वाला.
हाँ.
Eventually.
Hello auntie जी.
How rude, man. Anyways, so we had the breakfast right now. मुझे मार सकते निकाल के vlog करना है, but you know it is Gujarat and your rules are a bit strict. We are checking out right now और इसके बाद I think so we're going to Bhajanlal Dairy Farm.
You spoiled it.
What?
You spoiled the idea. You said we are. You won't say.
Yeah, I won't say, but एक बार तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा ना कहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. So anyways, if you don't know that farm, it's basically like a dairy farm and you get so many amazing stuff over there जो मैं आपको वहाँ पे जाके ही दिखा सकती हूँ. I can't describe that place.
I will raid all the paneer from there.
I mean, my dad told me that we'll go, you know, after my prelims get over. He said we'll go to Bhajanlal farm. I'm like, which farm? Bhajanlal farm. But then, you know, I started seeing vlogs about it and I really like that place. Nice, green, family kind of farm. You can go and visit. Many animals and पहले छोटा सा तबेला होता था. Now they converted into like a dairy kind of restaurant type of thing. And you get lots of dairy items. So I'm very excited. Okay, meet you over there. So we are now checking out. Thank you resort for your service. We actually loved it. Or let's go to Bhajanlal.
बोल देता है.
Yes, I already told.
अरे तो उत्थे जाके बोलना चाहिए था. थोड़ा लोਕਾਂ वास्ते ना सरप्राइज रहने देना चाहिए था कभी भी.
अरे
Just take some tips from me.
Backfire. चालू फिर से. I need to wear my mask. As you know, it's Sunday. Oh my God, there's so much crowd. Just look at these amazing nursery plants. So cute. Let's just take for our home. I'll take neither. If you take from selfie, it will come ulta. It is a very slippery floor. बहुत बड़ी line है. You always need to take a coupon and go inside. ना mango है.
We have to ask him, they write in kit, but if it's not seasonal, then you might not get.
अच्छा.
So we'll ask them if mango lassi is available, then mango. Otherwise, I'll go for simple one.
Okay, fine. Yeah, simple. If mango is there, then I'll have mango. If plain, then plain I'll have.
Then what do you want to do?
So over here, when you come, there are so many options that you can get. तो हम लोग I am having lassi. I don't know either mango. अगर seasonal है तो Amar is having rose milk. I don't know anything about Papa. But right now we can't have it right here. So उन लोग ने बोला that we have to do a takeaway. But honestly, this place is really beautiful. Like so many plants. का आ गया है. What are you having?
I'm almost done.
But what are you having? What are you having? You having? Basundi.
I'm having dry fruit lassi and it's awesome.
Yeah, I've not tried it yet. This is mango lassi. I've not tried it yet.
And what are you having?
Mango lassi. So we finished the drink. Everything was really amazing, really refreshing. Abhi we're going to see the tabela, where all like the cows and everything. Obviously you must have understood. Because, oh my God, they're front of me. Can you hear? So cute. I'm missing my Rusty. In look at dekhe. Okay, so I don't know because we can't go so much more further. But there are two cute calves. I don't know if you can see or not. So what? Who is that in the middle?
There's one imposter among us.
Where did that go? There was a, oh yeah, there.
See, there all calves are sitting outside.
Here all the calves are sitting.
And they're sitting, why they're sitting here? So that they can keep themselves warm.
Oh, okay. तो भजन लाल जी के दर्शन हो गए. Obviously, like lassi only you get it here और कुछ था नहीं. The nursery, everything was also very nice. Now, our next destination is home. Let's meet you at home because घर का रास्ता भी क्या दिखाऊं करके. You all will get bored. Let's go and meet my Rastu. I'm missing him so much. Actually, I want to see his reaction also. What he will react like. Literally एक दिन के बाद we are meeting him.
What do you think? How will a cat react? Huh? Let's see. I think so. उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. वो एक ही जगह पे बैठा रहेगा ऐसे. जैसे he will ignore.
नाक कटा दिया रस्तु.
नहीं. I am challenging.
Let's see. Let's go home and check it out. Come on.
Many secret patties later.
We have finally reached home after almost like 2 hours ride. Now I can't wait to see Rusty's reaction. I think so. Amma rang the bell. Yeah. Where is Rashu? Where is Rashu? Where? Rashu! 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 Hi, so it's basically the next day today. I just wanted to say कि सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा हो गया. Since Rusty, we came home, he was very happy all the time. Like he was just roaming with us and everything. So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this series. It was just a very small trip. मतलब बहुत last moment पे बना था. So gladly I made it up to a vlog kind of series. आगे भी और travel आने वाला है because अभी February my prelims are going to come. March maybe I'm going to go through a एग्ज़ाम प्रोसेस, फिर अप्रैल में भी बोर्ड्स आ जाएगा विच इज़ गोइंग टू गो अप टू मे. सो दीज ऑल मंथ्स आई एम वेरी बिजी, सो डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनी वीडियोज़. ऑब्वियसली मैं कोई बड़ी यूट्यूबर नहीं दैट यू विल एक्सपेक्ट वीडियोज़ फ्रॉम मी, बट अगर एनी स्पेशल ओकेजन आ गया I may just vlog it up. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed a lot. I hope you must have also enjoyed my vlogs too. Just like, subscribe, share. Good night, and yeah, let's meet whenever possible. And yeah, just take care. Hope restrictions or open ho jaye and we can travel more, maybe in flight also. So yeah, just bye, take care, and meet you in the next vlog.